And tools and company setup. We have several sections under general ledger, inventory, sales orders, sequence numbers, email, production, and rentals. So under general ledger, we have where we describe our location and our profit center setup. So if you have a GL segment setup for a different location, so in other words, you've got a sales account 4111 and you've got a Vancouver location and a Toronto location for each one of those, or for each of those segments, you can choose which segment describes the location. So if you've got in this case it's called account code, but it could be called location or whatever you want it to be called. Then when the user logs in, they'll be asked which location they're being logged into. And then what will happen is that every posting for that sales account, if the user is logged into that segment, will be pushed over to that segment. So if account number 40000 is the sales for stereo equipment and they log into location Vancouver, it will all get pushed to 40000/location or Vancouver automatically. If the account doesn't exist, the Vancouver account does not exist, it will then always post to the base account. So if you've got taxes set up for a location, you can have those taxes get pushed into those different segments as well. And cost of goods accounts, cash accounts, like I said, as long as they exist, they will get pushed there automatically. So this makes a really easy way to do not divisional accounting, but location and profit center accounting to be able to know, to be able to push sales through to certain segments. Profit center is a little bit different, which allows you to do the same sort of thing, but instead of being on a login basis, it does that on a sales order basis. So you can change sales order by sales order to a different account. So if you've got a labor account set up and it pushes sales to 4000, and you have a service department that charges labor, and you also have an accounting department that charges labor, it will get pushed to the accounts that you want it to. In both these cases, if you use the allocation accounts within Business Vision, it can be pushed through to a different account altogether.